The Amazon rainforest spans across South American countries. It is one of the richest and largest ecosystems in the world, with an area of approximately 7 million square kilometers. The Amazon accounts for over 60% of the global tropical rainforest area. This diverse ecosystem is not only a magnificent natural wonder, but also plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. Known as the lungs of the Earth, the Amazon absorbs up to 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide annually. Through this role, the Amazon rainforest helps maintain ecological balance and protects humanity from the impacts of climate change. The Amazon rainforest is incredibly majestic, with towering mountains, vast rivers, and millions of plant species forming different ecological layers. It is home to thousands of animal species, from rare birds to dangerous predators. The dense, untamed wilderness of the Amazon not only harbors enormous biodiversity, but also hides some of the world's most fearsome predators. In the Amazon ecosystem, one of the most notable predators is the jaguar, one of the largest and most dangerous big cats on the planet. Jaguars can hunt a wide range of prey, from small animals to caimans. Their agility, strength, and camouflage abilities make them top predators in this ecosystem. In addition to jaguars, predators such as caimans, piranhas with their sharp teeth, and the massive anacondas are other fearsome hunters in the Amazon. Jaguars thrive in the ideal conditions provided by the dense Amazon rainforest, which offers abundant food sources and excellent hiding spots. The Amazon rainforest's hot and humid climate, with high annual rainfall, supports a rich and diverse ecosystem. The rivers, swamps, and dense forest canopies provide ideal conditions for jaguars to hunt and camouflage effectively. The abundance of animals such as deer, wild boars, and caimans provides the essential food source for their survival and growth. Jaguars are the largest cats in the Americas and the third largest in the world, after lions and tigers. They have a strong, muscular build with a body length ranging from 1.1 to 1.8 meters and a weight of about 50 to 100 kilograms. The jaguar's coat is a unique combination of bright yellow with distinct rosette-shaped black spots, which allows them to blend seamlessly into the dense rainforest. Amazon jaguars are renowned as skilled hunters. They have incredibly powerful jaws and teeth capable of biting through bones and even breaking turtle shells. One of their most notable hunting characteristics is the ability to attack prey from behind, aiming for the head and skull, quickly subduing their targets. Jaguars mainly hunt at night, feeding on abundant sources such as deer, wild boar, birds, and even caimans. Jaguars do not have a specific breeding season and can mate throughout the year. After a gestation period of approximately 90 to 110 days, females typically give birth to 1 to 4 cubs. The cubs are born with their eyes closed and are entirely dependent on their mothers in the early months. Jaguar mothers are diligent in protecting and nurturing their young. They teach them how to hunt once they are old enough, and the cubs become independent after about 2 years. Despite being the most formidable predators in the Amazon rainforest, jaguars face numerous serious threats. Habitat loss due to logging and deforestation for agriculture is shrinking their living space. Illegal poaching for their fur and body parts is another major threat. As a result, jaguar numbers have significantly declined over recent decades. Conservation efforts for jaguars include the establishment of nature reserves, combating illegal hunting, and protecting their habitats. However, ensuring the long-term survival of jaguars requires cooperation and commitment from the nations of the Amazon rainforest and international communities. Aside from jaguars, black jaguars in the Amazon are also a terror for their prey. They are not a separate species, but rather individuals of the jaguar species, Panthera onca, with black fur caused by a genetic phenomenon known as melanism. This mutation gives them a glossy black coat, but under sunlight, one can still faintly see the characteristic rosette patterns of a jaguar on the dark fur. Black jaguars often leave a strong impression with their mysterious and majestic presence in the rainforest. Black jaguars of the Amazon possess a beauty that is both alluring and terrifying. They make an immediate impact with their sleek, jet-black coats. They exude an aura of mystery and almost irresistible dominance. This dark coloration allows them to blend perfectly into the nocturnal rainforest, making black jaguars appear like invisible phantoms, hidden among the canopy and beneath the decaying foliage of the Amazon. Their bright golden eyes stand out against the black fur, creating a piercing, sharp gaze that seems capable of seeing through the mind of their prey. The black jaguar's powerful appearance strikes fear into its prey. Its leaps to attack prey can reach distances of more than 5 meters with tremendous strength and sharp teeth. The combination of speed, power, and deadly silence in their hunting style makes black jaguars unpredictable predators. They do not need to roar or launch ferocious attacks like many other predators, but instead rely on agility and decisiveness. Their silent movements and sudden attacks from the shadows create a silent terror for any prey in the Amazon rainforest. In addition, black jaguars excel at climbing, enabling them to reach prey in high trees or find safe hiding spots in the Amazon forest. The rich forest canopy provides an ideal environment for them to utilize this skill. Their swimming ability is also a vital skill. Rivers and swamps in the Amazon form an essential part of the ecosystem, and black jaguars can swim through these waters to hunt prey like caimans or fish, or to move to other areas. Beyond hunting skills, black jaguars exhibit territorial behavior. In a dense forest like the Amazon, where many animals compete, black jaguars use vast territories to ensure abundant food and safety. This requires them to be flexible in moving through different terrains from dense forests to swamps. All these factors have allowed Amazon black jaguars to adapt perfectly to the complex and challenging environment of the rainforest, making them one of the most feared predators in the region. Due to their natural beauty and strength, black jaguars face threats such as illegal hunting for their fur and body parts, which has reduced their population. Additionally, habitat loss caused by deforestation and the expansion of agricultural lands has significantly shrunk their living spaces. Urgent conservation efforts for black jaguars are underway, including habitat protection and reducing human interference in their natural environment, to ensure the survival of this species. The Amazon rainforest provides an ideal living environment with a hot and humid climate and abundant rainfall year-round. This creates rivers, swamps, and freshwater lakes that are ideal habitats and hunting grounds for caimans. Dense riparian vegetation provides shelter and protection, helping them avoid predators and facilitating successful hunts. The rich food sources, including fish, birds, and small mammals, ensure caimans have enough nourishment to grow and reproduce. These factors combine to create a perfect ecosystem, enabling Amazon caimans to thrive and sustain themselves in the wild. Cayman crocodiles are among the most fearsome predators of the Amazon rainforest and belong to the alligator family. Caimans have an average size of 1.5 to 2 meters, with some individuals growing even larger. Their bodies are long and robust, with powerful jaws and sharp teeth that allow them to easily tear the flesh of their prey. The caiman's skin is brown or dark green, helping them blend into the brackish or freshwater environments they inhabit, reducing the risk of detection by predators or prey. The caiman's habitat primarily consists of rivers, swamps, and freshwater lakes in the Amazon rainforest. The hot and humid climate, abundant rainfall, and dense vegetation create ideal conditions for the survival and growth of this species. The flooded forests of the Amazon provide a rich food supply, including fish, birds, and small mammals. Their excellent swimming ability and swift hunting skills make caimans the dominant predators in the Amazon swamp ecosystems. Caimans are relentless hunters, with attack strategies based primarily on patience. They often lie silently and wait for prey to come close, then strike suddenly with a quick and powerful bite, dragging their prey underwater. With their sharp teeth and extremely strong jaws, they can bite through the bones of large animals. Caimans have a highly varied diet, including fish, reptiles, birds, and even larger mammals like deer and tapirs. Caimans are egg-laying reptiles and typically build their nests along riverbanks and in swamps. They usually breed during the dry season. Females construct nests from mud and vegetation to protect the eggs from predators. Mother caimans are highly protective of their nests and care for their young after they hatch. The young depend on their mothers during the first few months of life before they can hunt independently. Despite being powerful predators, caimans face significant threats from humans. Habitat loss due to deforestation and excessive logging has significantly reduced their living spaces. Illegal hunting for their skins has also drastically decreased their population. Additionally, water pollution from agricultural activities negatively impacts the natural development of this species. The giant otter of the Amazon is the largest otter species in the world, known for its body length of 1.8 to 2.4 meters and weight of approximately 22 to 32 kilograms. They primarily inhabit rivers and swamps in the Amazon rainforest, where they are considered masterful hunters. In aquatic environments, their long, flexible bodies and webbed feet enable them to swim with incredible agility, allowing them to hunt effectively in the complex waters of the Amazon. This species has a thick, dark brown, waterproof coat that helps them stay warm and move easily underwater. Notably, giant otters have distinctive U-shaped white or yellow markings on their necks, which allow individuals to be identified. They typically live in groups, with each group consisting of 3 to 10 individuals, exhibiting clear task division in hunting and territorial defense. Otter groups often demonstrate strong solidarity and cohesion, especially when facing threats. Giant otters primarily hunt fish, including predatory species such as piranhas and catfish. They hunt during the day, using their swimming agility to chase and capture fish underwater. Additionally, they also consume crabs, frogs, and occasionally small reptiles. The giant otter of the Amazon plays a crucial role in the tropical rainforest ecosystem. As a top predator, it helps maintain the balance of fish populations, particularly controlling predatory fish like piranhas. By regulating the numbers of predatory fish, they prevent overpopulation, contributing to the preservation of biodiversity in aquatic environments. Furthermore, giant otters play a role in keeping the Amazon's rivers and swamps healthy. Through hunting and movement across waterways, they help clean their habitats and prevent excessive algae growth. The presence of this species is also an important indicator of the ecosystem's health, as they are sensitive to changes in their natural environment. Predatory animals in the Amazon rainforest play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of this forest. Predators such as jaguars, black panthers, and anacondas not only demonstrate strength and agility, but also contribute to the natural food chain. They regulate the populations of other animal species, preventing overpopulation and thereby preserving the forest's biodiversity. Additionally, predators play a significant role in shaping the ecological structure. They create natural selection pressures that encourage the evolution and adaptation of prey species. For instance, herbivorous animals develop better skills for escaping and defending themselves to avoid predation, which promotes the evolution of diverse biological traits. The existence and activities of predators are not only vital for their own survival, but are essential for the entire Amazon ecosystem. Protecting these species is an integral part of efforts to conserve the Amazon rainforest. However, Amazon is facing many serious challenges. One of the most significant threats is illegal logging, which has led to widespread deforestation. Large-scale agriculture, particularly cattle farming, and the cultivation of industrial crops like soybeans, is another primary cause of the Amazon's shrinking forest area. These activities not only destroy habitats for many animal species, but also impact the forest's ability to absorb carbon and produce oxygen. Additionally, climate change exerts immense pressure on the Amazon rainforest. Extreme weather conditions, such as prolonged droughts and severe flooding, have become more common, undermining the forest's health. These impacts threaten the survival of wildlife and affect the lives of millions of people who depend on the forest. To protect the Amazon rainforest and ensure its sustainable existence, urgent actions must be taken. One important solution is to enhance forest management and protection. Governments and non-governmental organizations must work closely together to implement conservation programs, environmental protection, and sustainable development. At the same time, raising community awareness about the importance of the Amazon rainforest and the role of each individual in its protection is crucial. Additionally, developing sustainable economic models based on the forest, such as ecotourism, can help reduce pressure on the forest while providing financial benefits to local communities. Encouraging the use of environmentally friendly products and supporting reforestation activities are also viable solutions to restore damaged forests. Ultimately, protecting the Amazon rainforest is not just the responsibility of one nation, but a global mission. Every individual and organization must recognize the importance of the Amazon rainforest and work together to safeguard the planet's lungs, ensuring a bright future for generations to come. Life on Earth depends on our ability to protect and sustain the biodiversity and natural ecosystems of the Amazon rainforest. Share your thoughts on protecting the forest in the comments below. Join hands for a better future. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the next exploration journeys.